Hello, I'm Alex.
And my name is Jay.
And in this video, we are going to ask and answer some of the most recent 2020 Part 1 IELTS speaking questions.
These questions were actually given to us by you, so thank you very much for that, and these are recent.
And stick around to the end of this video to find out how you can contribute to our next video.
Cool.
Do you want to review the methods?
Nah, don't need the methods, they're not important. Let's just do it.
All right. Here we go. Are you ready?
Yep.
Jay, let's talk about haircuts.
Okay.
All right. How long have you had your current haircut?
2 months? What? You want me to...
Yeah, remember that I'm judging your language, so you want to give the examiner more than that.
Okay, I need to extend my answers. Okay, let's go again.
I'm going to go to the next question.
Okay.
All right, how often do you get a haircut?
Well, haircuts, like shopping centres, hairdressers, usually they have scissors and what, incoherent?
Yeah.
Right.
It was longer, but I had trouble following what you were talking about.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
You do need to maintain some logical development of your ideas and,
Okay, let's go again. Come on.
Okay, you can do this.
I can do it.
Think back. Have you ever had a bad haircut experience?
Well, once upon a time when I was a really young boy, I got this haircut from a hairdresser and it was very short and I didn't like it. My mum said it looked good, but I thought...
Okay. Way too fast.
Too fast, but
Can't keep up.
I thought speed meant fluency.
Come on, Jay.
No, all right, moderate tempo. I can do this. I can do this.
I got to keep up with what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Do you like to change the color of your hair?
Well, I am interested in changing the color of my hair, but once I dyed it purple and it looked really
Don't swear.
No swearing. Okay,
No.
got that. Okay.
Think of it like a job interview for your English. You're trying to put forward your best language for me.
Okay. All right, let's do one more.
Okay.
Yep.
Have you ever cut your own hair?
Well, subsequent to some research that I had undertaken on the internet about the hair follicles and the matter of the keratin that is composed of the hair fibers. This is great vocabulary, right?
Yeah, it was okay, but it really compromised your fluency, and I think
True. It actually didn't make any sense either.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it properly. I think I need to review the methods.
Yeah, I want you to review the methods.
Let's do it.
And if you want to review the methods, click on the link here.
All right, let's do it. I'm ready now.
Now, just to keep it real, I'm not going to ask you the same questions because you've had time to think about them. I'm going to give you some more questions.
Okay.
And then we'll swap it around and I'll see how I go.
Okay, great.
All right?
Great.
So next one, recent topics. Let's talk about running.
Okay.
Do you like running?
I'm actually not a big fan of running because I find that when I run, it tends to hurt my lower back, so I much prefer walking.
Have you ever participated in a running race?
Not for a very long time, but when I was in high school, we used to have inter-school athletics between the local schools, and I used to go in those running races, and I remember getting terribly nervous, but it made me run really fast.
Why?
Why did I get nervous? I don't know, it's just I went to a very small school, so then when we'd compete against the other schools, there was just lots of kids around, and it was a lot of frenetic energy. It was good fun.
Do you watch athletics on TV?
Wow, I guess the only time I watch athletics is when the Olympic Games are on. Apart from that, I don't find it particularly interesting. I find people running around a stadium quite boring, actually. Though I do watch other sports where they run, but they're usually kicking a ball around.
Do you have suitable places for running in your neighborhood?
Yes, in fact, there's the Botanic Gardens here in Melbourne, just near where I live, and there's a running track around the outside. It's quite famous. It's called the Tan. I think it's about 5 kilometers long, and people run around that all the time, rain, hail, or shine.
Very good.
Very good.
Much better, I
Much
think.
better after reviewing those methods.
Okay, shall we swap?
Let's swap. Okay, let's talk about laughing. Alex, do you laugh a lot?
Yes, I think I'm a pretty happy person. I tend to laugh quite a lot. I love watching comedies. I love listening to comedy podcasts in particular.
Right.
And I think among my friends, I'm known as a big laugher.
A big laugher. The hell was that? Sorry. You just keep going if you say something like that. Let's keep going.
What's wrong with that? Okay.
Is it a word? A laugher?
A big laugher.
I'm a big
person
laugher.
that laughs.
Maybe they can put into the comments
A
below if you think laugher is a word or not. Alex, do you make people laugh? You just made me laugh. But go on.
It sounds a little bit arrogant to say that I'm funny or I consider myself funny, so I wouldn't say that. However, yes, I think I can be funny sometimes, given the mood, and when I'm with my close friends and we share a lot in common and we share a long history together. In such situations, it has been known to happen for people to laugh with me or at me.
Okay, I think you are. So, Alex, how do you make people laugh?
Oh, these are tough questions.
These are tough,
This is
I
a
know.
difficult question. How do I make people laugh?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know, actually. I've never really thought about that. It's not something that I would consciously plan or consider doing. I think it's just a spontaneous thing that happens. And, people make me laugh all the time. I think it just comes with being comfortable with each other.
Right. When was the last time you laughed?
About 3 seconds ago.
And why was that?
Just, sharing a bit of banter with a colleague. But the last time that I really laughed, and sometimes when I laugh, I start crying. Like I transition from extreme laughter into absolute bawling crying. The last time that happened was a TV show, the name of which I forget, but it was about 2 weeks ago.
Fine, great. Done. That was nice. Well done. That was hard. Laughing.
Yeah, it's a tough topic, actually.
Laughing.
Surprisingly.
So that was difficult, right?
Yeah.
Even for native English speakers, these topics sometimes can really stump you. Laughing, raining, all these sorts of weird topics that you never think about. So if you want to get better at IELTS speaking, then you should practice with us. So check out www.e2language.com.
And for our next video, we're going to answer your questions. So in the comment section below, share with us the recent questions that you've got in your IELTS test or just any question that you want us to answer.
Nice.
Thanks.
Ta-ta.